In the case of a project subject to a PIIA, the CCU evaluates the project according to objectives, that is, goals to be achieved, and criteria, which are measures that are used to evaluate the achievement of the stated objectives. These are established in advance, according to the location and type of project being planned. The entirety of the town's territory is subject to the PIIA and is divided into different zones according to the character of the architecture, the historical phases of urban development, or the principal land uses found in a zone. Usually, all projects are subject to prescribed standards that they must meet. The PIIA allows for the addition of specific conditions to a project when a building permit is requested. It therefore allows for projects to be evaluated from a more qualitative perspective. When a project is submitted to this qualitative lens, the CCU is tasked with evaluating the project. Town Council cannot approve or reject a project until it has received a recommendation. The main purpose of the objectives and criteria of a PIIA regulations is the harmonious insertion of a project into its surroundings. Whether it is the creation of a new lot, an extension project, the construction of a new building, a commercial sign to be installed, or any modification to the exterior facades, including windows and doors, the CCU evaluates projects according to the characteristics of each environment, and in each case, uses the corresponding criteria. This process ensures quality projects that are integrated into their neighborhood and that maintains and enhances the living environment of Town of Mont-Royal. The objectives and criteria are defined for each zone. They therefore differ according to location and can be adapted to different contexts. For example, for a single-family or a two-family dwelling in the Town of Mont-Royal, the criteria may include preserving as much vegetation as possible, respecting the original architecture style, taking into account the height of buildings in this area, ensuring a suitable fenestration on the main facades, or using high-quality and durable materials.